We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP Laserjet Enterprise M506 printer, and we're going to show you how to print a supply status page. Now the reason we're going to show you how to print a supply status page is just going to give you a lot more information about what's going on inside the printer, with your toner cartridge, so on and so forth. And it really helps manage your printer a lot closer, so you're not waiting for the last second when the printer tells you that you need to replace your toner or anything like that. It helps prevent a lot of future problems from happening. So, first thing is, for your toner level, obviously there's a visual representation of your toner cartridge and how much is left right there on the front screen, but that's not very specific, and it's a very small status bar. It doesn't show you a whole lot as far as where it really is, so this is going to give you a lot more information. First thing you want to do is at the bottom you're going to see this little house button. You're going to go ahead and click on that house, and then you're going to use the arrow keys to scroll down until you find the Administration tab. Once you find Administration, go ahead and click OK. Give it a second. And now we're going to click OK again to select Reports. And we're going to hit OK again to select Configuration Pages. Then we're going to use the arrow keys. We're going to scroll down and we're going to find where it says Supply Status Page. We're going to use OK, and it's going to put a check mark next to Supply Status Page. Again, we're going to use the arrow keys. We're going to go back up to where it says Print. Hit OK again. And that's going to print our supply status page. So again, this is just going to have a lot more information as far as what's going on inside your printer, including with your toner cartridge. So if you look here at your printout, alright, so this is our supply status page. So this is going to give us a lot of information about what's going on with our toner cartridge inside the printer. And if you look here, again, it's going to show us our status bar. It's much longer, so it's going to give you a better idea of where it's at. Also, it's going to tell you how many pages have been printed with that toner cartridge, and approximately how many pages are remaining to be printed on that cartridge. So that tells you a lot of very useful information. Sometimes these status bars, the printer does its best job to approximate how much toner is left, but it's not always accurate. Sometimes you look at how many pages have been printed versus the yield of that cartridge, and it gives you a much better idea as far as where your cartridge truly is and how many pages you really have left. So again, it just helps kind of manage everything that way. It never fails. It's always right in the middle of a big print job or something that's really important to be printed out. When something happens, you run out of toner and you don't have a spare there, this will help prevent that from happening. And it also, this is something else, will help keep you. One other thing that's on here that'll help kind of manage everything is it also tells you your install date of that toner cartridge. So it's just an easy way to kind of help remember when you put that in there. Again, that helps a lot of people with when they need to have a backup ready. You can get an idea about how long your toner cartridge lasts you. I hope that helps. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply this for you as well. We hope you have a great day and a backup in printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.